The simplest way to sign up somebody to become a member in the live Freedom Stream is to make an email. We make a custom email for you, and they'll be able to read a couple things when you send this to them, and then they'll click this link right here. Click link, sign up for the live Freedom Stream Academy. Once they click that link, it's going to send them straight to the live Freedom Stream for them to sign up under you as your person that you got in because you have the affiliate link through us. Now, you're going to go to become a member. Tell them to go to this green button and become a member. They're going to click this right here. And then it's $149. Perfect. They're going to put in their information. All their stuff comes up. And they can agree to these two different things. And then they're just going to hit continue. Now once they hit continue, it's going to ask them for their card number. They're going to put their card number in and then hit submit payment. Now once they do that, they're going to end up getting an email. Okay, you're going to get an email. Once you get an email, all you're going to do is you're going to click on this link right here. And it's going to send you here. You're going to put in your email address and your password. You're going to hit log in. Once you're logged in, you can save right here. Boom. Very easy to come back. And you can look. These are the different things that we have right here on the home page. If you look at the Beach Trader, we got a lot of videos for you on here. Training videos. So each one of these are different categories of videos that you guys can learn from. They're filling up every day. Thank you guys so much for joining with us. Invite your friends and family members. Let's all win together. You guys have a great day.